So I'm going to take you through what you're going to be doing for class today. If you happen to have joined us late or not 100% sure what you're doing, you can always come back and watch these videos. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is take a look at some of these stress management techniques. We talked about stress yesterday, how stress can be good or bad, how it either way, good or bad, it releases adrenaline, who makes your heart beat faster, makes your breathing increase. It can cause headaches and stomach aches, all kinds of different stuff. We need to learn how to de-stress, and these are all techniques to help you do that. So, click on this Padlet, and the instructions are directly on this Padlet. It says Stress Management Activities. Please select 2 activities for completion. Once the activities are complete, you'll find the Stress Reflection Microsoft Forms survey posted on It's Learning on the next page. There are tons of stuff to do here, guys. You're going to choose 2 activities. This is just listening. This is just relaxing and listening. If you don't have a quiet place, this is probably not going to be beneficial to you. If I were you, I'd put headphones on for these too. Visual relaxation, so some coral reefs and all kinds of different stuff. It's a fireplace. I love listening to outdoors and birds and bubbles and watch fish and stuff like that. This is a breathing circle, all kinds of interesting things here. Guided meditation. Again, all the ones they talk to you, have earphones with you, be in a quiet spot. Journaling activities to possibly do. Here's puzzles and games. These coloring activities are not to be done online. Actually, this one right here is online, but these you'd have to print. But these are resources for you to use that you can print. This is really a nice resource that another health teacher actually put together. And there's some drawing activities, dance party, stretching and yoga, live cams, oh my goodness, mindfulness activities, all kinds of different stuff. Play around with this, look around. You're only required to choose 2 of these. I think that I will end up posting this on our first page of It's Learning, because it's just great resources. But these are all really good ways to relax. So here's stress management activities. Choose 2 to actually play with today. And then you'll go back to It's Learning when you're finished. Click on the next resource, and this is a reflection document, and you need to do this to show me that what you've done and how you've done it. So on this reflection document, it says choice 1. For the first one that you did, answer the following questions using your experience with the first stress management technique that you practiced. Which stress management technique did you do first? There are pictures that should pop up here. You don't need them, so if these keep on rolling like this, you can still click on there and answer this. Why did you choose it? You'll actually have to write in why. And then you're going to rate it. 1, you didn't really like it. 5, it was fantastic. Explain the rating. What didn't you like about it? And what about it made it so fantastic? And then, would you use the stress management technique in the future? Don't just say yes or no. Why or why not? Notice down here there's a next page because you did 2 of them. So you click on next, and you're going to answer the same questions for the second activity. And then when you're done, you are finished with the lesson for the day. I'll be on Teams until the end of the period. So if you want to come back and tell me a little bit about it, if you're excited about something, come back and talk to me. Otherwise, you can be finished after you finish this reflection. If you have extra time, make sure that your work has already been completed for the beginning of the week. You want to make sure you don't fall behind and have to do too much work on Fridays.